G'day folks, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use a tablet mount with your Mavic Air and also go over my favorite one. There's plenty on the market, but there's a few that I've used that I didn't care for. The one I'm using right now I really like, and I'll kind of go over why. Basically because it is a foldable unit. My first one that I had couldn't fold and it was bulky, and when you tried to put it into a backpack or a camera bag, it just took up a lot of space. So there are different ones on the market that fold. They're all pretty similar. So this one comes with a case. It folds up nice and compact, and it's capable of holding a 12-inch tablet. So it's actually a really good one. So I'll just kind of go through the steps of how to hook it up and connect it to the drone. This tablet holder will also work with the DJI Spark and the Mavic Pro, as they all have a similar remote control. So we'll just take it apart here, pull that part out, and it folds up just like so. And then the tablet part just pops on, and then we can tighten it up a little bit. But we'll leave it a little loose for now because we'll adjust it to the angle we want once it's installed. So in this demonstration, I'm going to be using a iPad mini. It's an iPad mini 4. It's usually what I'd like to fly with. It's not too big, and you know, it gives you a nice viewing area. But a couple things we have to do before we mount this is in the remote control, we have the little lightning connector there that's plugged into the side. Because this has to mount into where the phone would normally go, we have to remove that piece. So we just unplug it from the side there, and then just pop that part out. Just like so. So now we can mount that in, just kind of where the phone would normally sit. And you can see we got the cradle up at the top here. And once it's in there nice and secure, just like your phone. It's not going to go anywhere. So now we'll put the tablet in. Just kind of clamps in there like that. So now we're going to tighten up the knob here just to secure it in once we've got it at an angle that we like. Let's power up our aircraft, and we will power on our remote. And we'll wait for the two to connect when that light goes green. And there we go. So now we're going to launch our DJI Go 4 app. So we've got our DJI Go 4 app launched, and normally we would have this cable plugged into the remote and into your phone if it's mounted traditionally. But obviously that's not big enough to go from the remote to the lightning port. So what we're going to do is we're going to take just a normal lightning cable, like one that came with your phone, and instead of plugging it into the side, we're going to plug it into the bottom. That's a full-size USB port. So we're just going to plug in our lightning cable into the bottom there. It normally doesn't beep. I just hit a button there on the remote. And now we're going to take the other end and we're going to plug it into the lightning port. And once I plug it in, you're going to see, oh, let me flip that around. Yeah, once I plug this in, you're going to see this now changes to connected. Takes a minute. And there we go. So now we can start the flight. And there we go. So now you've got a nice viewing area, nice big tablet screen, and it's quite comfortable to hold. The balance on this particular unit is pretty good, and you can adjust the screen angle to however you need it. Now the other thing this particular tablet holder comes with is a little lanyard. Just hooks up to this little hole here, and that way if you need your hands free for something, you can just actually drape this around your neck and it'll sit there comfortably. As you can see, you've got this long cable here. You can just tie it up and use a twist tie or something just to kind of keep it manageable. What some people do is they'll order a 12-inch lightning cable, and that way it keeps everything nicely packaged up and without all this extra wire hanging. Well folks, that's basically it for this video. That's how you use a tablet with your Mavic Air. If you are going to be connecting the Spark this way, the only step that you won't be doing is using this lightning cable, as you'll be connecting the Spark via Wi-Fi to the remote. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.